Hey guys, welcome back. Got another unboxing here. Got a boat actually. Let's see if we can fit the whole box in the screen here. It's a ready to run, really cool looking boat from UDIRACING. Got this sent to me from Hobbex, so a huge thank you to them. Make sure to check out the links below. This one looks really cool actually. Boats are always fun during the summer. Some measurements here. Quite a decent size. Not much else on the box. Self-righting hull design, waterproof, should be when it's a boat. Low battery alarm, poor signal alarm, top speed around 30 kilometers per hour. So yeah, let's get this out of the box. So this is the boat. Pretty sweet looking boat. And here we go. We got the transmitter. Some trimming options. Some foam on there. Decent standard transmitter. Also got this cool looking stand for it. So it's since it's so good looking or cool design, it's pretty sweet to be able to put it on display in your shelf. So yeah, let's look at the back here. The rudder, as well as the propeller. Got some trim tabs and some fins to make it more stable. As well as this little protection, so you don't bump into anything and crack it. You can just slide it on in the front. So I haven't done a whole lot of RC boating, so I'm no expert. It's a lot of fun. So here we go. We got the dual hull here for the waterproofing. I think that's pretty standard. It was the same thing in my Phelan I used to drive around with. Let's see. Unlock. Like that. Looks like a 390 maybe size motor with some water cooling. So let's see here if I can get it right. Yeah, the water goes. Okay, so here we can see a little dent in the hull, and through that hole there the water goes in, goes through these hoses and pipes, cool downs the motor, and then it goes out here on the side. So yeah, that's a pretty cool and efficient way to cool down the motor. And of course we got the direct drive here with the prop shaft, and got the steering servo, which is a 3-wire servo, so that's nice. A lot of room in here for upgrades or battery or whatever you want to put in here. And this is the included battery, a 2-cell lithium-ion, 1500 milliamp, pretty standard stuff with the mini Tamiya connector. So yeah, I don't know, since I don't know too much about RC boats, I don't have much more to say. I think it looks super cool. I'm really excited about this one. Boats are always fun. Let's see if I can close this body up here. Put this here. I really like the design of this one. It looks like a real fast speedboat. So yeah, of course we get the safety features. You can see this little dot right there. Okay, so I'll have to take this apart again. Should have shown you when I had it off. But it, of course, like if the boat's not in water, so there's a ground cable going to this one, it won't run. And that's why you have this on top as well, because when you flip over, which is pretty easy to do, it will use the prop or the torque from the prop to self-right. So you've got wires going to those little sensors. You can bypass them if you want to. They can malfunction sometimes, which is really annoying. I think I bypassed them on my Phelan. But yeah, that's a neat little feature to have. Is that the self-writing is pretty valuable if you're going too far out from the shore and flip over. Otherwise, you have to wait for it to wash ashore. So yeah, let's get this in the water and see if it's as much fun as it looks to be. Okay, so I brought the boat with me out to this beautiful location here, this beautiful lake, to give it a proper test. And yeah, I just threw it in the water and it ended up upside down, which was perfect and gave me the opportunity to test the self-rightening feature. And as you can see here, it struggled quite a bit with it, mostly because of the pretty small motor, 390 size motor. It didn't really have the torque that's needed to flip it over right away. I've had a better experience with that feature in other boats with a larger motor, but it still worked after a while. So yeah, and the water was quite choppy this day, quite windy, but still had a lot of fun. And as you can see, it's got some decent speed to it. Just struggled a little bit in the beginning, but yeah, it's a decent boat. Once again here you can see it's struggled quite a bit in the choppy water to pick up speed. It takes a little while, but eventually it picks up speed. I'm sorry about the sound here cutting in and out, but the wind made it pretty hard to record sound down there by the lake, so I had to edit some of it out. And yeah, but I hope it's okay anyways. But even though the water was quite choppy, I was able to get some decent speed out of the boat and get some nice little jumps on the waves as well. So I had a lot of fun. But in conclusion, I would say it's more of a beginner's boat, a bit slow, more suitable for calmer waters, and yeah, for first timers or kids, but still a fun little boat, and it looks great out there in the water. the red really pops. So yeah, it's pretty cool.